The next statement is a uniform wire of resistance R is shaped into a regular n-sided polygon where n is even. Find the equivalent resistance between the opposite corners of polygon and adjacent corners of polygon. So according to statement, there are n number of resistors which are connected as shown, and the resistance of this puri full wire is R, right? So it means individual, if we talk about the single segment, its value is R by N, right? One wire, one part is consisting of resistance R by N. This could be understood. So for example, if the whole combination resistance is R and we are having two wires to be connected in series, so it means the individual wire has resistance R by 2 and R by 2 equal to R. Similarly, if three wires are connected, this becomes R by 3 plus R by 3 and plus R by 3, since these are connected in series. So similarly, if we are having n number of wires, the individual wire is having resistance R by n, right? Now let us find out the resistance across this segment CG, which equally divided in two halves, upper half and lower half. Since the value of resistance, full resistance, is R, so in this case the portion which is this CDEFG, it is having the value R by 2. Similarly, the portion CBAHG, it is also having the value of R by 2. Now since we are finding across C and G, it means this portion and this portion are connected in parallel. So equivalent resistance across CG, RCG, can be calculated by 1 upon R by 2 plus 1 upon R by 2. So calculating this, 2 by R plus 2 by R, that comes out to be 4 by R, right? So 1 upon RCG is 4 by R, or we can say RCG is equal to R by 4. So this is the value across the middle portion. Now second, we have to find out at the adjacent corners of a polygon. Let the adjacent corner of polygon is A and H. Now you can see that across AH, if we want to find out the resistance across AH, this whole combination is in parallel with AH. So we can say R, we can say here R by N and R by N minus 1 are in parallel. To understand this, for example, we are having 4 resistance making the polygon. In this case, we have to find out across one arm. So it means your 4 resistance and the 5th resistance, 4 resistances and 5th resistance are in parallel. So 4 resistances means n minus 1 and nth resistance are in parallel. So accordingly, R by n and R by n minus 1 are in parallel. So if we want to calculate it, it will become 1 by R by n plus 1 by R by n minus 1. So after calculating, you can get the value of R, n minus 1 upon n square, which is the equivalent value of resistance across the adjacent corners of the polygon.